Hello, my dear friends. How are you doing? Punarvas Jayakumar here. Guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you certain tips on filing returns. I'm sure, most of you guys will be doing articleship. Some of you guys are on the verge of completing articleship. The financial year 22-23 is already over. So now you will slowly start filing the returns of your clients. So this video is predominantly to just help you if they are individuals, not just clients. Your friends, family will come to you, because the moment you're a CA student, they'll tell, hey, you are an expert on taxation. So they'll tell you, bro, tell me how can I save tax? I'm a salaried employee. So predominantly a high percentage of your friends, family and clients would be in the salary bracket. So this is predominantly for income tax filing in terms of under the head salaries, right? So please like this video, subscribe, and you can also comment later after I finish this video as to what could be the other things that you have. So more importantly, my dear friends, first of all, some tax ideas. Let us understand what was there in the old scheme and what is there in the new scheme. As you know, there's a lot of discussion after this budget with respect to the old and new scheme. I have already analyzed the difference between the old and new scheme in an earlier video. You can please check out the budget video. Probably it's there in the description as well. You can check the budget video. Right. So under the old structure of taxation, so there were a lot of deductions, there were a lot of exemptions, and there were a lot of allowances that were allowed. If you had planned it properly, this was a good way of saving a little bit of taxes. For example, your client might be getting this ATZ deduction with the principal portion of the home loan up to 1.5 lakhs, maybe claiming the medical insurance premium at ATD, whatever it is. So if you look at the available set of deductions, exemptions, etc., roughly we had around 65 to 70 exemptions and deductions for the past many years. Some of the most popular deductions and exemptions in the old tax regime, which generally any employee would definitely go for it, is of course we had our provident fund, we had our life insurance premium, we had the principal and interest component of the home loan, we had the health insurance premium, we had the SB account interest under ATTTA, all these things. And as far as exemption is concerned, the most popular one of course is the house rent allowance, the mobile and internet reimbursement allowance, etc., all these things. So your client or your relative or your friend's taxable income could have been reduced significantly due to a combination of all these exemptions and deductions. The main advantage of the old scheme, my dear friends, was that it encouraged a lot more savings. For example, PF, that is provident fund, and other important investments, life insurance, medical insurance, health insurance, the more you invest in them, the more you save in them, the more savings you would get in taxation. Now, let us look at the new regime. In the new regime, my dear friends, it's very straightforward. So guys, in the old regime, as you can see, you had up to 2.5 lakh nil, 2.5 to 5 lakh 5%, 5 to 10 20%, and about 10 lakh 30%. But then you got all those deductions, exemptions, etc. In the new regime, it is very simple. Government's idea is they have split it into 6 slabs. It is very simple. So basically you earn X amount, I will divide that X amount in these various slabs, and you pay tax Y amount. That's it. So up to 3 lakhs it's nil, 3 to 6 lakhs 5%, 6 to 9 lakh 10%, 9 to 12 lakh 15%, and 12 to 15 20%, and above 15 lakhs is 30%. So the government has made it very clear here. Basically it is a straightforward slab rate. So this is what the comparison is. Here we have just 3 slabs, here we have 6 slabs. Due to the various range of deductions and exemptions, etc., available under the old scheme, such as PF, home loan, and all that I've already told, the taxpayer had a lot of investment options under the old scheme. But under the new regime, primarily it is for new investors and of course the first time employees. So since India is a workforce where the younger generation is more than 50%, for the workforce which is there right now, for the young workforce, the new scheme is definitely a boon. But as far as encouragement to invest is concerned, that is not there in the new scheme. So before you advise your client, you understand the nature of your client. It may be your relative, friend, whoever it is. Is your client because they are your future potential clients. Now you are doing it for free, or you may charge a little amount, but in the future, that is how, because you have given them the correct advice. So consider the factors. Are they inclined towards investing more, or are they just come out of college and freshly into have started working? And which scheme would you do? The default scheme, obviously, next year onwards, the default scheme will be the new scheme, but you definitely can opt for the old scheme as well, right? So this is what I wanted to tell you. It all depends on the nature of your client, the savings pattern of your client, and all those things. So guys, do comment your thoughts please on the new tax regime, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a bell icon there, please do hit, because I'll be coming out with very interesting videos in the days to come, which are non-technical, which are technical, everything for your benefit. Do share it with your friends as well, and please ensure to give good service to your clients. So these are some of the tips from my side. Thank you so much, guys.